Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're making a Nutella hazelnut liquor hot chocolate. So first up we need a pan and a cup of milk. You can use almond or coconut milk, and an ounce of half and half, a pinch of salt, and a big spoon of Nutella. And just leave it in, and now we got it on the stove, and on low we're gonna heat up the milk and let the chocolate melt in it. And a tablespoon of sugar. Make sure you do not boil the milk because it will overflow. The milk will heat up very quickly, so do not leave. Just keep an eye on it and keep stirring until all the chocolate has melted. And looks like we're nearly there. And this is perfect. Also, it is very hot. So give it some time to cool down before you drink it. Alright, then that's finished. I have a pizza hazelnut liquor, which is actually very sweet, but it tastes delicious. And this does contain alcohol. I'm gonna add 1 ounce of it straight to the hot chocolate. Prepare my cup, and I will just pour all the hot chocolate inside. And don't forget, it's very hot. Top it up with some marshmallows. I like to add some extra, a little extra, and some whipped cream. Yum. The marshmallow actually helps it to not melt as fast as it would if you just put it on top of the chocolate. And now top it with some chocolate candy and some chopped off nuts. I chopped up some walnuts because I did not have any hazelnut, but it's alright. So this is how it turned out. You can use the same recipe without the alcohol, just use hazelnut syrup. It's perfect for the kids. I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.